Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to turn on vacation mode. So to turn on vacation mode, it's very easy as I'm going to show you an article made by the help center of Etsy. So with vacation mode, you can take a break from managing your Etsy shop without worrying. So to turn on your vacation mode, you need to do the next step or steps to be more considerate. So the first thing is to sign into your account. Very simple. And then go to your shop manager. Click on the settings, then choose options. Within options, you will find two things: vacation mode tab and basically close shop tab. Go to the vacation mode tab, then change the setting to on. Fill in temporary shop announcement and message auto reply, and then choose save. Now, this is for PC. What about the seller app, or basically the application mobile? Simply just sign in into your account on the application, select more, select the shop settings drop down menu, then select vacation mode. Select the toggle button to turn vacation mode on and off, fill in temporary shop announcement and message auto reply, then choose to save. So basically, vacation mode guys lets you put your shop on hold for a period of time and is helpful if you are temporarily unable to run your shop. An emergency keeps you from being able to manage your shop, you are traveling or sick, you need a quick break to catch up on current orders. You can set an auto reply that will be sent in response to any message you receive while in vacation mode. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. With that being said, thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.